Hey there everyone, have you ever walked into a room and completely forgot why? Or stared at your screen feeling like your brain's wrapped in cotton? We've all been there, and it's totally normal. Sometimes our brains just need a little tune-up. Today, we're diving into brain fog, what it is, and 5 powerful science-backed ways to clear it up fast. Keep watching. Brain fog happens when you can't think as clearly as you would like. You may find yourself forgetting things often, having trouble concentrating, and generally feeling mentally sluggish. While it might seem like a personal failing, know that you're not alone. In fact, studies show that millions of adults experience brain fog. So what exactly causes it? Well, it could be anything from lack of sleep to stress or even your diet. But worry not. There are proven solutions, and here are 5 of them. Number 1, check your sleep debt. Did you know that one of the biggest triggers for brain fog is poor sleep? The National Sleep Foundation recommends that adults get at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. But it's not just about the hours spent in bed. It's also about the quality of sleep you're getting. Many people wake up frequently during the rapid eye movement or REM sleep stage, which is crucial for memory and learning. This disruption in REM sleep can lead to brain fog. When you don't get enough REM sleep, your brain struggles to process and store memories, leaving you feeling like you're living in a fog. Plus, sleep deprivation affects concentration and attention span. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Sleep Research found that sleep-deprived individuals had significantly reduced cognitive performance, including problems with attention, memory, and decision-making. So how can you fix this? Start by sticking to a regular sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends, to help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Next, avoid screen time for at least 1 hour before bed. The blue light emitted from screens can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Instead, opt for relaxing activities like reading a book or gentle stretching. You can also try taking magnesium supplements or drinking a calming tea like chamomile to promote better sleep. Magnesium is known to relax muscles and promote calmness, while chamomile has mild sedative-like effects. Number 2, cut the sugar and processed carbs. Did you know that consuming too much sugar or refined carbohydrates can contribute to brain fog? When you eat foods high in sugar, your blood glucose levels spike rapidly. This sudden increase triggers a release of insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar. However, if you have a constant influx of sugar, your body can become less responsive to insulin, leading to what's known as insulin resistance. One of the consequences of insulin resistance is inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. This inflammation can impair cognitive function, leading to brain fog. Additionally, processed foods often contain high amounts of unhealthy fats, artificial preservatives, and colorings and excessive amounts of salts, all of which can negatively impact brain health and contribute to brain fog. So what can you do to fix this? First, cut back on sugary drinks and snacks. Replace simple carbohydrates like white bread and pasta with complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, oats, or quinoa. These complex carbs provide fiber and nutrients that support brain health and help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing rapid spikes and drops that cause energy crashes and brain fog. And if you're looking for a snack, reach for nuts, eggs, or dark leafy greens instead of sugary options. Nuts and seeds offer healthy fats and protein, while eggs and leafy greens provide essential vitamins and minerals. Not only will these alternatives satisfy your hunger, but they'll also nourish your brain and keep you focused. Remember, what you eat directly impacts your brain function and overall well-being. So make smart choices to fuel your body and mind for clarity and sharpness. Number 3, caffeine timing matters. Let's talk about caffeine, the beloved stimulant that powers through many of us through the day. But did you know that consuming too much caffeine or having it too late in the day can actually lead to brain fog? Here's the deal. Caffeine is a stimulant that blocks a neurotransmitter called adenosine, which promotes relaxation and sleepiness. By blocking adenosine, caffeine gives you a boost of energy, alertness, and focus. However, when you drink too much caffeine or consume it later in the day, it can disrupt your sleep-wake cycle and interfere with your sleep quality. This can result in poor sleep, which, as we know by now, leads to brain fog. Studies have shown that caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours, meaning that it stays in your system for a significant amount of time. If you drink coffee late in the day, the caffeine can still be in your system, keeping you up when it's time to sleep. This disrupts your circadian rhythm and reduces the amount of restful sleep you get, which contributes to brain fog. So, how can you fix this? Well, first, try cutting off caffeine intake after 2 p.m. This allows enough time for the caffeine to metabolize and clear from your system before bedtime. You can also consider switching to decaf coffee or alternative beverages like green tea or matcha. Green tea contains a moderate amount of caffeine, around 30 milligrams per cup, while matcha has even less, about 30 to 50 milligrams per serving. Both teas also provide valuable antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that support brain health. Lastly, always drink water with every cup of coffee. Water helps flush out toxins and keeps your body hydrated, which is essential for optimal brain function. Number 4, try a 5-minute mind reset. Are you feeling overwhelmed and stuck in a mental loop? If so, cognitive overload could be the culprit. This is a state where your brain has received too much input, making it difficult to concentrate and causing feelings of being foggy or mentally exhausted. Even 5 minutes of a properly implemented mind reset can help alleviate this mental strain and improve focus. Studies show that mindfulness practices like meditation can help reduce symptoms of cognitive overload by promoting relaxation and improving attentional control. So here's a simple 5-minute mind reset technique to try. Find a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nostrils for a count of 4, then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Focus on your breath and let any distracting thoughts drift away. Don't worry if your mind wanders. Gently bring your attention back to your breathing. Continue this deep breathing exercise for 5 minutes. This practice not only calms your nervous system, but also helps clear your mind and improves concentration. Number 5, move your body. Boost your brain. Did you know that physical activity can significantly impact your brain function? Regular exercise has been proven to enhance cognitive performance, improve memory, and increase your ability to focus. In fact, a study published in the Journal of Physical Activity and Health found that moderate physical activity, like brisk walking for 30 minutes a day, can enhance cognitive function, including attention and executive function. So what can you do to incorporate more movement into your daily routine? Start with a 10-minute morning walk. Even a short walk can increase blood flow to your brain, delivering essential oxygen and nutrients that improve cognitive function and alertness. If a full walk isn't feasible, try desk stretches every hour. Simple stretches can keep your blood circulating and prevent stagnation, which can contribute to brain fog. Stand up, reach for the sky, stretch your arms overhead, and hold for a few seconds. You can also do seated stretches by rotating your shoulders and head in circles. Lastly, dance breaks are a fun and effective way to boost your mood and improve brain function. Put on your favorite song and dance for a few minutes. This can help improve your cognitive flexibility and creativity. Remember, even small increases in physical activity can have a positive impact on your brain function. So get moving and unlock your brain's full potential. Can you relate to any of these causes of brain fog? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our previous video on how to supercharge your immune system naturally. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.